Hey, it's Jordan Fleming here, CEO of Smartphone, and I want to dive into why Smartphone is the best phone system for Podio. Now, from the very beginning, we set out to create the best phone system on the planet for Podio. And we did that by making it seamless to connect to your Podio system in under 5 minutes, have everything up and running, make sure that everything is logged directly into Podio, your phone, your text, your voicemails, and to make sure you can bring your Podio users into Smartphone as Smartphone users. And we've extended this integration into the Podio user interface using our Google Chrome extension. That means you can convert Podio phone fields into Smartphone click-to-call fields, as well as inbound calls drop directly down inside of Podio so you can see who's calling you and choose to either answer or decline the call. We've got a very comprehensive SMS API, which you can twin with the Podio workflow automation tool and create amazing automations. Not only automations from calls and texts that you've received and automate responses, but of course you can create things like drip sequences to do automated text follow-ups and everything pushed directly into your Podio system. If you're doing a lot of sales, we've got Smart Dialer, our single and multi-line power dialer. You can choose to create campaigns by reaching into your Podio system and grabbing data from any of your apps, or you can upload data directly into Smartphone and choose to push successful calls into Smartphone. And if you're on the go a lot, our iOS and Android apps are completely integrated as well, which means any inbound call, you can see your contacts from Podio, who's calling you, and of course you can scroll through and choose to call or text anybody. We also have a huge support for you. We've got a dedicated support team that's available Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern, and a comprehensive documentation library that helps you understand how to set up and run Smartphone. And because of our partnership with Podio, anybody who signs up to a Podio premium account gets $100 of credit that they can use inside a Smartphone to buy numbers, send texts, make calls, whatever you want. With no hardware needs and our deep integration to Podio, as well as our commitment to continuous improvement of the product through listening to customers, I know that Smartphone is the best option for a phone system for Podio. Check it out and happy phoning.